My name's David Hislop, I farm at Meinside. We have 460 dairy cows. We try to be ahead of the game. We want to be carbon neutral, which is a journey that we're going to head on over the next 20-30 years. To do that, it encompasses a whole lot of different aspects. Part of that is keeping up with regulations, and by so doing not pollute the river courses or air. We started on our journey with putting in a large lagoon. We had the backing of planning and SEPA. We got a lot of advice from SEPA. They were very helpful, telling us the right things to do. We then went on to put in a separator. We separate all our slurry. We fill the lagoon with liquor. We analyse that liquor so that we know exactly what the nitrogen, phosphate and potash is in that. And then we go on to apply that to our land at silage time. And because we know the ingredients, we can then balance that up with bag fertiliser, not to put too much on the crops, and we have washout into the rivers. So that's one area where we comply with rules and regulations.